Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host Salik, and in today's news we have some rainbow themed backgrounds by Peach Garden Games, a sprite of an old herald by Takaichi, and another herald without the forehead accessory by Tizupen. Next we have a bunch of new tilesets, a tileset of a ship and another of a cozy arms Tavern by Starbud, a fantasy green village by Clockwork Raven, a huge pack of colorfully casual isometric tiles by Persephida, and lastly, Wetland tiles by Sazadi Art. That is all for today. Thank you to all of you for helping this channel reach its first 1,000 subscribers. Now go back to game making.